Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing some Happy Mail. I received this package yesterday, but I didn't have the time to film it, but I'm sharing it today because you guys, this package is pretty epic and you'll see what I mean. So I'll have Iris linked down below so you guys can definitely go check her out and follow her on Instagram. You guys know whenever I get Happy Mail, I link my pals down below. So she sent me a huge box. I'll show you the box, but then I'm going to take it out because it'll be too much going on here. This is the box. And it was filled with like a bunch of paper, but I took it out. But look at all the goodies that she sent me. And I'm about to show you. So let me take everything out. And yes, I went through it. I'm sorry. I had a bad day and I needed to like totally go through this. So I did see everything. Sent me the cutest little card. And I'll save the best for last. Even though the whole package was amazing, but wait till you guys see what she sent me. Okay. Make sure that we're in focus. Are we in focus? You guys know my focus issues. Now we are. All right. So she sent me this cute little, like little, what is this? Vellum. She decorated it and it has a bunch of wood veneers, you guys. Look at this. Do you guys see this? Tons of little cute wood veneers. And really tiny ones. I love the little really tiny ones because they look really good on embellishments. Let me just put these right there. So she sent me that, which I love. She sent me these 2 chipboard books, which I cannot wait to play with. Do you see this? Little cherries. I've never seen these before. Not in this shape. So she sent me these 2. She sent me this cute little box, which I didn't open and I'm not going to open because I don't want to take it out. Or should we open it? I can see through it, what it is, but you guys can't see. So, Lily, open it up. Look at these clips. Do you see the mint green on that? Look at that. And they're like little chalkboard. So cute. And I think this is like some washi. Do you guys see? Let me see if I can bring the... Now I have to bring the focus back up. Be careful. Oh, I didn't want to make it shaky. But look, it's a little, like a little roll of washi. See that? Cute little gold hearts. Super cute. And then there was this little box. Do you guys see? It's like, looks like a little Chinese food box. What is wrong with my focus? Get it together. And in here, she put a bunch of cute little hearts, felt ones, all types. Do you guys see that? How cute. Hearts can go all year long, you guys. And then there's this cute little box, which she had like wrapped up all the way around. And it looks like that. And inside here, I'm telling you, she totally spoiled me. And I'm totally saving all this mint green tissue paper. She gave me trim, you guys. Look. I'm holding my hand because I'm like extra shaky today. I haven't eaten all day. So I'm like extra shaky. I'm already shaky as is, and when I don't eat, I get 10 times more shakier. But look at these trims. I love this lace one. Look at this one, you guys. I might have to hoard that one because that one looks type vintage. Look at this one. So many pretties. Thank you, girly. She sent me a cute little card, which is mine, but I'll show you guys the cover. Let me show you how cute she made the little front cover of the card. Isn't that cute? I love it. And then I'll save this one. Then she sent me this envelope, which she decorated. And in here, she sent me a bunch of those little like alphas. I got some pink ones, some gold ones. And we got this blue, which is beautiful. And then she sent me some like 6x6 papers, which I don't have. So cute. There's this one. This one. Look at the little dresses. How cute is this? There's this one. I like this one. Look at this one with the little girls. How cute. Then we have this one with the polka dots. Balloons with the little girl holding it and the bunny. And then we have this one, which is like the hopscotch. Floral. And another floral. Isn't that super sweet, you guys? And then she sent me, as if that wasn't enough, you guys, you know, I show you guys how to create something, and it is not fair that you guys make them better than mine. I'm just being silly. I love that you guys recreate stuff that I make and then show me or tag me. Oh, that makes me so happy. Okay, she put a little brad right here. I think, I just don't remember where I started turning it from. Oh, I think right here. I'm actually going to bring the focus down so that I don't have to be holding it up this way. Let me... Okay, so this is like the little lace trim that she put here. How cute is that? Do you guys see that? Some pom-pom trim. She put the letter L in the front with some gold thread. And it's an embellishment book, you guys. It says, hey girl, hey. Cute little butterflies. And then when you turn it here, there's these like little mini envelopes that she gave me. Some cute little die cuts in here. Like, how amazing is this book? Some cute little cork little embellishments. And then there's some tags, some bingo cards. I think they're bingo cards, yeah. Bingo cards, you guys. Like, real, like, chipboard bingo cards. I don't have any of those. Some tags. Look at that. I love it so much. So she sent me that cute little book along with all the other stuff. But, you guys, let me show you what she sent me. She sent me all of these stickers. What? Mind blown. Look at this. These beautiful metallic like teal ones. These gold ones. They're called rain boots. She sent me these. These are metal by American Crafts as well. She sent me these cute little alphas, like on little flags. Never seen these either. By Studio G. These, you can like spray paint them and color them. These are called Roster DIY Thickers. These glitter red ones, they're called Lullaby. These are Jingle. Also red with glitter. These are Emerald chipboard thickers by American Crafts, like a minty green. Another mint green by Dear Lizzie. These are called Lark. These are also mint green, but they have like little glitter specks. Subway. Another like teal blue. Oh, these are the Lullaby. I think there's two of these. Yeah, she sent me some, which I love because I'll have like so much. This one is called Notarized, and it has like this little grid mark on it. Love them. White, like with the holographic glitter on them. They're called Macaw. Macaw? I think it's Macaw. These like pastel pink. They're called Bliss. You guys, can you believe all these stickers? I nearly died. These are Lullaby in pink though. So it's probably the same collection, but the pink ones. These pink glittery ones by Amy Tangerine called Scene. Then there's these. These are Rockabye, glittery pink. These metallic pink ones by Dear Lizzy, Primrose. These are called Dazzle. What? You guys totally spoiled me. And then these are called Shoebox, and they're like kind of like a rosy pink. But oh my god, this is amazing. Iris, thank you so much for this amazing package. I appreciate you so much. And yeah, you guys definitely go check her out. And that's it for today's video. Bye, guys.